and then the raccoon just took it. He ate the whole sandwich in one bite.
No way, that is definitely not true. Did you guys hear that?
I'll go check it out.
A tiny, frightened rabbit appeared, safe in the lantern's warm glow.
Look at how the path is glowing.
Wow, it is so magical.